Hey guys, it's Marcos again from Coin Collector, and today we want to look at some of the very hot updates on the Digitex Futures Exchange. A lot has happened in the last week, and if we open this chart right here, then this speaks for itself. I think we had a massive pump. Let's see how much we got here. We got a pump so far of 232% starting from the mid of June, and this is a very good reason. And the reason of this you can see here. The public launch of the Digitex Futures Exchange is just upon us on the 31st of July, kicking off with a huge trading event, and we will go into more details a little bit later. But yeah, what has happened over the last days? Many new things got implemented on the mainnet coming from the testnet. The stop loss is now live on the mainnet. You can go to tools right here. You go to stop market, and here you can place your stop orders, your take profits, stop market buys, all the good things you can place here manually at the moment. Later on there will be an update, an UI update, I think maybe in August or so, where you can place your stop loss directly on the ladder, and it will probably be also visible here in the graph. So yeah, this works all very, very well. And also the new update that we got on the mainnet is we can now change our leverage up to 25x. So if you're up for that, you can do this. And this has also consequences on the volume, of course, as now almost all people are onboarded, people from the testnet and also people that were on the wait list. We had a huge influx of people in our mainnet Telegram group. And also you can see this on the volume. So this also got changed up here. Now we see the contracts that have been traded in the last 24 hours. And here we also have the dollar value that has been traded in the last 24 hours. And we are not even public yet. And yesterday night we crossed already 500 million. What does this mean in comparison with other exchanges? Well, for this we go to contract market cap and we just look at the let me see if this loads up here. And we just look at the exchanges where Bitcoin futures are traded. And here you can see the top 10, and Digitex jumps in and out the top 10 right now. This morning we were ranked 9, but we already overtook exchanges like Femex or like FTX. And you have to understand, look at the amount of pairs that they have that are trading. FTX has 104 pairs, Femex has 7 pairs to trade with, and we only have 1 pair. And we are not open yet, and we crossed already 500 million in volume. So for me, this is absolutely no question that once we are public, once we have 100x, and once we have more markets, more pairs that can be traded, which will happen very soon, more on this now, we will easily, I say we jump easily up here in the top 5 minimum, if not even in the top 3 by the end of this year, easily, in my opinion. So this is looking very, very good. I'm very happy to see these kind of developments, and Smartec and the team of Digitex has really ramped things up now that we're heading towards the mainnet launch. Looking at coin market cap, we're now sitting at rank 92. We were already at rank 82 the other day, but I guess this will happen again now that we're approaching the mainnet launch, because if I look at the price structure here, to me this looks like a clear continuation pattern here right now, and I expect us to go till the launch of the mainnet up to here in the 12 to 13 cent area, maybe even higher, we will see. And maybe we will correct a little bit then, but looking at the bigger picture, I think things are looking very, very good. It's going to be the third time that we are breaching our all-time high, and this resistance can only last for so long. Okay, maybe we get a little correction here, maybe not, who knows. But ultimately, I think we will break this resistance sooner or later, which will take us, if you take the measurements from here, which will take us to the next levels, which should be up here around 22 to 28 cent in this area. So things are looking very, very good. If you were hesitating with Digitex so far and you were questioning if they were, or wondering if they were really pulling this off, they are pulling it off, and the time for waiting is over. It's now, we go live in like 8 days or so with this huge event, and it's going to be a big live event. It's going to be a big live trading session with Adam Todd, the CEO himself. He will be trading live for 6 hours on the day, and he will do interviews with major crypto influencers, and it's going to be a great show, I'm sure. and the team is giving away $250,000 worth of tokens during this event. This is just crazy. This is a huge amount. It's a huge amount of tokens that can be won here, and you can read all about this here on the website. You can see here every 30 minutes through the trading event, one user will be a lucky winner of $5,000 worth of Digitex. This is just crazy. This is awesome. And then another $200,000 worth of Digitex will be raffled away to 1,000 traders through the event. And also merchandise will also be raffled away. All you have to do to be part of this is you have to create an account on the mainnet once it's possible, and deposit 1,000 Digitex token into your mainnet account, and then you can win. Then you can take part on this competition here. So very, very easy. So we have an awesome product here, and yeah, checking out the testnet right now, you can see they implemented new pairs here as well. So we have Ethereum here, and you can see Ethereum comes with a tick size of 0.25, which is very nice. I think it's very nice to scalp and to trade Ethereum, but even more interesting in my opinion is Ripple. Myself, not a huge fan of the coin or itself, but the way they implemented here on the ladder is very, very smart. So they took the Ripple price and they multiplied it by 10,000. So it's easier to scalp here on the ladder. Now you have a one tick size here, and this is pretty amazing. I think that's a pretty cool way to do scalping on a coin like Ripple. So can't wait that this gets implemented together with the new stop loss features on the mainnet, and of course later on we will have markets like the S&P 500, gold, oil, all these good things, which will attract a ton of new people, a new kind of traders, not from the crypto space, that will have an interest in trading on the platform without paying any fees. This is a huge deal, which is, in my opinion, still highly underestimated by many people, and we have a really golden opportunity on our hands here, and I really, really hope that you will take part on the launch event here. So let me think if we have anything else that I can show you. As you can see, I have a short position open right now. I'm doing some scalping here right now, doing very well for myself in the last weeks. So very pleased with the platform. It's a lot of fun, and yeah, I think that's it for now, and I see you in the next video. If we get more updates towards the mainnet launch, towards the launch events, more details, then I will put up another video if it's very important. So other than that, I see you in the next one. Ciao.